Hello.
Hello,
Hello. Hi. Hi, Partha. How are you?
I'm fine and you?
I'm good. How was your weekend? What did you do?
Weekend was good. I had roaming around with my friends,
Mhm.
go to my locality and
Your
but
voice is not clear. Like there's lots of disturbance. I mean,
now
around. Yeah, it is better.
okay. I'm roaming around here and there and with my friends.
Mhm.
Now clear.
Yes, it's clear. Absolutely clear.
Okay. I'm roaming around here and there with my friends,
Mhm.
my locality and watching movies. That's it. Because
Okay.
now rainy season here.
Okay. So there's
Yeah.
not much scope. How frequently does it rain? Every day?
Not every day in a particular time, at evening
In the evening.
or night.
In the evening or in the night? Okay, okay, great. So I think the weather must be pretty pleasant there now, right? Very
Yes.
cool. Or does it get hotter after it rains?
No, at noon time it's hot.
Hmm. Okay. So yeah, the weekend has come to an end. So from tomorrow you have to report to work, I guess, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you're looking
Okay,
forward to
what do you do apart from
who,
that?
me?
Hmm,
I am an IELTS trainer. So
okay,
I coach students for the IELTS exam.
okay. The English exam
Yes,
or
English
foreign,
exam.
go to foreign. Okay,
Yes, yes, yes. Earlier, I have worked as an engineer in the IT industry, but then I transitioned into a different field because I felt like
okay.
teaching is my passion. So I thought I'll pursue that on a full-time basis.
Good.
Okay. So, Pata, I think you've seen a lot of ads these days, advertisements these days, where they're teaching coding to young kids, right? Kids as young as 6 years old, 7 years old. So, do you think it's necessary for such young children to be pushed into learning coding with so much seriousness? What are your views
No,
on this?
I think this is about playing.
Hmm?
I
This
don't
is
think
about
playing in
playing.
India
Okay. Yes. Okay.
because this time is not seriousness. I think
Mm-hmm.
this is not needed
Mm-hmm.
because those time what we learn actually this
Mm-hmm.
is not we can implement in future.
Hmm.
Like I think after 10th or 12th they can serious about their career what they
Yeah.
want to learn this time
Yeah.
start from this age.
Hmm. So there is no necessity, right?
Yes.
For such young children, they don't even know the alphabet properly. They can't even spell cat bat. But and if we force them to, learn coding, so it's too much pressure. So and even um, these institutes that teach young children coding, they charge an exorbitant amount of fees from the parents as well. So what are your views on that? Is it fair enough for them to do that? Like yes or
No,
no?
no, 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 not fair.
Hmm.
Not fair.
Okay. So, how do you think this situation can be handled? What would you want to tell such parents who are worried that, okay, my kid needs to be a pro coder by the age of 10,
Actually,
by the age of 8? So, what will you tell them?
no, actually, what's parent think, I think, and another parents told that their children do that and did that, then they can influence them and they also pressurize their children. And the
Mm-hmm.
children come on peer pressure. They cannot
Mm-hmm.
do and their parents. They can ask their children what he want to do or what she want to do. Then decide. This is the age of childhood of playing. I think this age is never come back again. Time never come.
Mm-hmm.
So it's education is important, but not that kind of education that cannot handle.
Yes. So great. Can you hold the mic a little closer, like you were doing it at the beginning, so it'll be easier for me. It'll be
Now,
clearer.
now,
Yes, yes. Now it is perfect.
okay.
Okay. So that's the thing. So another thing, another question I would like to ask you is, see, there are some people who are naturally talented at certain things, right? Ever since they're kids, they are prodigies at something. but then there are others who have to work really hard to get where they are in life. They may not be naturally talented, but they work really hard to achieve success. So what do you think is more important, being naturally talented at something or being a hard working person? What is more important?
Hardworking person.
Hmm? Like,
Hardworking
why do you think hard work is more important than natural talent?
because it's hard work. They can heal that thing in a grassroots level, from
Hmm.
grassroots level.
Yes.
And step by step they can improve. They can mistake, but later they can improve that also. It mean they can aware about what their mistake, what they hello. Hello.
Hello. Uh, just give me a minute, okay? I'm going to
Okay.
stop my video. Just give me 5 seconds. I'll be back. Hello. Am I
Hello.
audible to you now properly? I just
Yes,
opened all
audible,
the
audible.
so that the network doesn't fluctuate. I just did a little bit of settings. So hopefully we won't get lost in conversation. Yeah. I couldn't hear you what you said about what is more important, talent or hard work. Can you please repeat that answer?
Okay. I think
Mm-hmm.
hard work is important
Okay.
because they can know that thing from the grassroots level.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Later on, they can mistake and not, later they can improve that thing. They can learn step by step.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
that's thing important. If they are nation talented, they cannot know what happened in grassroots level.
Yes.
That's thing they do not feel.
Yeah. So according to you, that initial struggle is very important.
Yes,
Uh,
struggle is important.
yes. So until a person makes mistakes, there is no scope for learning, right?
Yes,
It's
yes,
very
exactly,
important.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
It's very important to make
That's
mistakes initially. Okay. So as a kid, what was your favorite subject in school?
okay. My favorite subject is
Was
was math.
seriously?
Yes,
That's like the last thing that people answer. But I understand you're a tax consultant now. You must be a pro at it. So why math? What was that most interesting thing about the subject for you?
actually, this is like a game, like a puzzle,
Mm-hmm.
and it's sometimes it's hard to solve that thing, but when you solve it, you are until success and you become happy.
Yes.
And
So.
in another subject, I think Bengali or English,
Mm-hmm.
that's a kind of literature. You
Yeah.
cannot go to that level. You can succeed because someone is better than you. He write can better than you.
Mm-hmm.
He know better than you.
But that is true for math also, right? There could be someone better than you. You never know.
No, no, no. That time is answer is exact thing.
Ah,
Your
okay,
answer is
okay.
zero. They can different route, but
Mm-hmm.
and they come on the result. It's the same.
Correct, correct. Absolutely. So you like the challenging subjects more, something that has a fixed answer. Like if the answer is five, it has to be five across. But in the case of language, it can be,
Always
modified.
improve. Always yes, yes. Always improve.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because in that
Absolutely.
language subject you cannot get full marks.
Yes, correct. And what about history? Were you interested in history as a student?
History, yes, not that much, but I interest.
You were interested. Great. So, do you think it is important for kids to learn about history? Do you think it's an important subject? Because most students feel like it's redundant, right? They're like, why am I studying all this? It has happened so
No,
many years
actually,
ago.
no, actually, when you read for
Mhm.
studying and getting mark in exam, you
Mhm.
feel bored. I think
Yeah.
because history like a story, past
Yes.
story.
Mhm.
That's you telling about the past story. Then
Ah,
I learned something about
yeah.
past generation, what before about India or about the world. Then
Mhm.
you feel like that when you read. Then
Yes.
I think you get interested
Yes.
about
If
that
we, if
history. I
we,
think history also literacy. It's a story.
yes.
It's a storytelling. This is
So
the
that
topic, right? No?
yeah, kind of. Yeah, history is the topic. But yeah, that's one thing. If the kids learn it in a way that, okay, they're reading a story, it becomes easier. But I think the most difficult part is they put all the dates and you have to, reproduce that in the exam also. So it becomes a little challenging for the children also. So, is there any particular chapter or any story in history that has, stayed with you till now? Something that you read about in school, but it still is very, feel important. Still something that feels important to you.
Uh, Indian National Congress formation, 1885.
Oh, great, INC.
Do you know
Okay. I know I've read about it, but I am not
that
that
the
adept at it.
Indian National actually before
Mhm,
Indian National Congress formation 1885,
mhm,
the revolt of 1857 formation. Then
mhm,
Indian people, the lawyer, I mean high-ranking people, think about that they
mhm.
can build an political organization that help
Okay.
help the Indian people.
Mhm,
So they build different kind of organization, but that does not work. Then they form
mhm.
INC Indian National Congress with the help
Okay.
of Alan Octavian Hume. Hume.
Okay. Alan
Yes,
Octavian.
yes. He was the retired British civil servant, I think. And
Okay.
Umesh Chandra Banerjee,
Mhm,
he was a Bengali.
mhm.
And
Okay.
they formation Indian National Congress.
Mhm,
And there is it solved the Indian problem from grassroots.
mhm.
There are 2 points are there. One is safety valve theory, and another one is national formation. Safety valve theory
Okay.
is like pressure cooker.
Okay.
When actually, because why safety valve theory? Because when Indian people become angry to Britishers,
Mhm.
the Indian
When they
National
were
Congress
angry
solves
at the Britishers, when they were angry at the Britishers.
angry at the Britishers, they can
Mhm.
solve that problem on the grassroots level.
Okay.
But it's when they cannot solve, then this time go to solve the Britishers. That's like a
Okay.
safety valve theory.
Mm-hmm. That's nice. Okay. So
And
you remember everything so clearly. Like, did you brush this topic up, or do you still remember it so well from school?
no, I know that in Bengali,
That's
I
amazing.
can explain very well.
That's amazing, actually, that you remember everything so vividly till now. That's good. And who is the most inspiring figure for you in history, not just in terms of national or international leaders, whether it is a scientist or a singer or an artist? Is there anyone that you looked up to as a child? You thought, okay, this person is very inspiring. Was there any such characters or figures that you
Of
read about?
course, Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash. Oh, my mom is also a huge, follower of
Because
Subhash Chandra Bose. Hmm.
actually, one point of Subhash Chandra Bose, I recall many times that he got selected in civil servant examination,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
he resigned for
He resigned.
yes, he resigned for our freedom movement
Hmm.
and say go to Japan and
Hmm.
by what
Yeah.
commute by one. I don't know how this time is happened,
Okay.
and they finally he play a very important role for our freedom.
Yes, very inspiring person, right? Great. So it's amazing that you're so passionate about history, because when I saw the topic, I was like, okay, what if the person finds it boring? Because not everyone is interested, right? But it is so good to see that you are so passionate about the subject. You still have that kind of knowledge. So it's amazing. So the subject knowledge is very good. Okay. So, just a couple of things. When you're speaking about Subhash Chandra Bose, you said he go to Japan, right? So, as you're aware, like,
Want
he went to Japan. See, you know it. Just when speaking, also,
it's a
you just have
now I later I realized that, but when
to.
it speaking fluently,
Mhm.
then I usually simple present tense.
That's okay. Like now that you know about it, next time when you're speaking, you can be a little mindful towards this. So he went to Japan, and you said, I think past tense is thought, like thought. I think even you know this also, but maybe in the flow of the conversation you might have missed it. So the past tense of think is thought, and you have a tendency to not use ease. Like it is hard to
Watch,
do
watch,
math.
watch.
No, no, no. You say it. History like a story. You have to say history is like a story. We have to read history. History is like a story, and it hard to do math. Okay, so some people
I
feel
mean
it hard.
preposition mistake
Yeah, you have to use is. It is hard,
and
or
and
history
be
is
form.
like a story. Yeah. So yeah, you just have to be mindful of that when you have to use is. And in terms of pronunciation, I think again that sir and sure, when you say British, right? Can you pronounce that one more time?
British.
Yes, see now it is correct. When you
Or
speak that,
trace some of
no,
British.
yeah, it has to sound sure, like British. But
Like
that sure one,
English.
yes, perfect. See, now you got it correct. So that is it. Like the sure, it should be little more prominent. Sometimes it, when people hear it, sounds like sir. So that is why that's it. So pronunciation wise and grammar wise, apart from that, I think you were very good today. No major issues. Just these things. If you work on, it will be good.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. So, what are your plans for the rest of the day? What you plan on doing?
Okay, while doing my work and
You
I
work
select some movie for watch.
for
Okay.
watching. Great. So, planning to just finish the weekend in a more relaxed manner, chilling.
Yes, actually there is a series in Amazon Prime
Mhm.
on Subhash Chandra Bose.
I think Rajkumar Rao is there in that, if I'm not
No,
wrong.
not that. This is another one.
Okay, okay.
This is a web series and this is a movie actually.
Uh-huh.
It's a Bengali movie and
Oh,
Hindi dub also available.
okay. So it's a
This one
movie.
is
Okay, okay, okay. Have fun. So
nice,
it
nice.
matches the topic, like whatever we spoke, you're going to watch a movie on the
No, no,
same
no, no, no. This one is later because
later.
this time,
Mhm.
because this time the Governor General was Lord Dufferin. He
Mhm.
because what they want to do, they cannot. I think they rejected that. They
Oh,
prohibited that, and later Subhash Chandra Bose come into picture and they solved
oh,
that.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, Parth. Have a great time. Enjoy your movie, and take care.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.